ONPASSIVE is turning nightmares into beautiful dreams. The nightmares of doing business on the internet will be over when ONPASSIVE launches its maiden commercial product called OConnect Earthwide. The early affiliates have been waiting for this epic event to happen. They know that when that happens, the floodgates of income from the sales of OConnect come into ONPASSIVE and into the wallets of early affiliates. The world of internet users will have a new champion of technology on their sides. The force of ONPASSIVE will be felt earthwide. That seismic force will bring early affiliates and users unimaginable joy. Gone will be the heartaches and shattered dreams of honest people trying to improve the lives of their families right now. Those dreams will no longer be nightmares. ONPASSIVE changes all of that. ONPASSIVE will provide to its users the comfort of knowing that their private data will not be sold to the highest bidder to companies who will use that information any way they want to use. The users of ONPASSIVE's state-of-the-art product OConnect and ONPASSIVE's massive and fully encrypted and redundant ecosystem, where OConnect is the hub inside the ecosystem, will take comfort in knowing that they will be fully protected online when talking to their loved ones without those conversations going viral. ONPASSIVE will treat its users with love and respect and will protect the private lives of each user. Those nightmarish days will be a thing of the past. Within days, when ONPASSIVE opens its doors to the world, it will turn the nightmares of doing business and socializing with the people you love into sweet dreams of success. The world of the internet has been waiting on something like ONPASSIVE for decades. That wait is shorter than it has ever been. Imagine this: going to sleep with a major problem on how you can provide an income for your family and how to connect to your loved ones safely, and waking up the next morning with both problems solved. That is the power of ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE solved the problems for you. How was that possible? ONPASSIVE's done-for-you automated system, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, never sleeps and never tires out, 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, 365 days per year. Even working that extra day when it's leap year and working smarter and harder than any human can to make sure that all of us are taken care of. It takes your problems and eliminates your problem while you are sleeping. ONPASSIVE eliminates user error. ONPASSIVE takes your nightmares and turn them into sweet dreams. ONPASSIVE will provide unlimited success to all its early bird affiliates and customers coming into ONPASSIVE daily through links provided by the early affiliates. Customers who also become affiliates will also harvest the benefits of having their own affiliate links to invite people to join them and be a part of this mega technology giant ONPASSIVE. All of us can use it without fear. It took the heart and expertise of Mr. Ash Mufareh and his dedicated teams to figure that out. Mr. Mufareh shared the blueprint that was etched in his heart and shared it with people with the same heart set. ONPASSIVE has become the nightmare eliminator and the beautiful dream maker. Come all of you to ONPASSIVE. Come and join the family of positive and excited people. Register for free and get 3 free gifts and a 14-day free trial of OConnect.